What we always say is that we bring serious firepower for serious cases. And what that means for us is that we bring a dedicated team that's developed an experience and expertise really in federal criminal defense over a decade of doing this with our combined experience.
First day on the job as a paralegal, I got a call from an inmate, and it blew my mind at how nice and respectful he was to me. And it made me realize that we really dehumanize federal prisoners, and they're just as human as you or I, and they deserve a fight. They deserve every chance they can get, and they deserve a second shot at life.
If I had to describe Evergreen Attorneys in one phrase, I would say compassionate support and advocacy.
The professionalism was the level of comfort that I instantly received. If ever I find myself in the need of an attorney, I know that Zach's a phone call away. And even if it's not something that he may be able to address, I know that I can trust anyone that he might recommend me to.
So we help people with fighting their cases in federal court. We help people with direct appeals. We help people with post-conviction motions and clemencies. And I'm very proud to say that we've had quite a bit of success in all of those. And we are the people that make that happen.
We have a history of looking at complex cases and even very high-profile cases and coming in and finding legal issues that even highly paid legal teams didn't find on the front end.
They were on my side. I know that's a very standard phrase for one to use, but they were definitely on my team and in my defense from the beginning of the phone call. So I felt like that was really, really helpful and empowering for me in trying to navigate that situation.
I worked with so many lawyers before him, but none of them compete with him, none of them.
When you're fighting a federal criminal case, your life truly is on the line. So oftentimes, these penalties that you could face are, potentially life or decades in prison.
How would I describe Zach and team in one word? I would say effective. It's been more like having a resource that's there constantly than having somebody on the payroll, so to speak, right? I reach out to Zach with basic questions, and he takes the time to educate me, and he's patient with me.
Zach literally saved my life. He literally saved my life, and I'm forever grateful for what he did for me.
I'm Zachary Newland. I'm a partner at Evergreen Attorneys, and we're looking forward to meeting with you and deciding how we can best protect your life and your freedom from the federal government.